Find the sum. Show your work to earn full credit. What I showed you in the last problem is I showed you to just focus on the first two numbers, change the subtraction to addition, and then add them. We're going to do this problem a little bit differently because I want you to have some different tools, know some different ways of doing problems. So what I'm going to do in this problem is I'm going to change all of the subtraction to addition first. So I'll start by copying the negative 100. And then I'll change the subtracting a negative 11 to adding 11. And then I'm going to change the subtracting 7 to adding a negative 7. Remember, to change it to addition, I need to make two changes. And then we have a minus a negative 100. That'd be the same as adding 100. And then at the end, these are already addition. We're already adding a negative 3, so I don't need to change that. And we're already adding 9, so I don't need to change that part. The reason why I wanted all of these symbols in between to be addition is because of the commutative property of addition. The commutative property of addition says that I can change the order of all of these numbers as long as they're separated by addition. So the beauty of this is that I might see some numbers that would combine easily together. For example, I'm going to start reordering this, and I'm going to put after negative 100, I'm going to put the 100. After that, maybe I want to put my positive numbers. So I have a positive 11. These are all separated by addition, so I just write addition signs in between, and then I'll copy the 9. And then maybe after that, I want to have my negative numbers. So I add on a negative 3, and I add on the negative 7. And I circled all of these to just make sure that I checked off every single number so I didn't leave a number behind. That's one of the downfalls of changing the order, is sometimes you'll make a mistake and miss one of the numbers and it will cause you to get the wrong answer. So you have to be very careful. Now what's nice about having these two numbers to combine together is that it makes 0. So negative 100 plus 100, that was easy, I got 0. 11 plus 9, that combines to make 20. And then when I combine the negative numbers, negative 3 plus a negative 7, I get negative 10. So the numbers work out really nicely when I choose which numbers to add together. 0 and 20 makes 20. And 20 plus a negative 10, well, signs are different, you subtract. We get 10, and we have more positives than negatives. So my final answer is a positive 10. So this is another method you can use. Change everything to addition, and then you can reorder it by choosing the numbers that you think might be easier to combine. And maybe that seems easier to you. Maybe that's easier to you than taking a negative 100 and combining it with 11. So just something to think about as you complete the next problem.